see, that's the south side, that new south side. Y'all see that?
Everybody on swingers, but y'all don't know about the real motherfuckers that been on the swingers, nigga. You don't know about the real niggas that been on that motherfucker, nigga. Been doing that shit from day one, nigga. We put TVs in, 19-inch TVs.
BlvdTv, we back with another one. Labor Day classic on the Boulevard. These boys from Louisiana, y'all see them? They clean. And they on 6, and they on sticks. Y'all see them boys? Them boys from the booth. Y'all see them? Check them out. That boy clean too. That's the red line. Y'all see him? That's that boy P-Way. We only do it the P-Way. Y'all see him? And we come straight front line, straight to the curb. Straight to the curb. Come straight front line. Check them out. That's how we do on the south side. We front line everything. Don't get it misunderstood. Go on the south side. Stop traffic. Let boys park. That's how we do it for the red line. Y'all see them? Stop traffic for on the brakes, for them to park. On Louisiana. Like 30 minutes, like he like 30 minutes from like New Iberia.
That's right.
Y'all see that blue? Took that blue out. Y'all see that boy G? That's that boy Uncle G. And that's that boy Albert right behind him. Y'all check him out.
From the loud competition, get out.
Y'all see him? That's that boy Clyde, he clean. Y'all see that's the south side, that new south side. Y'all see that boy?
That's my cologne. I ride on cone. Give me the microphone. Yo, you say me right there. That's Kiki. Hey,
get your ass out the street,
street legend right there. Y'all talking about the swingers? Y'all talking about everybody on swingers, but y'all don't know about the real motherfuckers that been on the swingers, nigga. You don't know about the real niggas that been on that motherfucker, nigga. Been doing that shit from day one, nigga. We put TVs in, 19-inch TVs in cars, nigga, before they had screens, nigga. You feel me? We was doing that shit, nigga. And Papa and Trumpet on doing what we doing, nigga. Fuck you mean, nigga? You don't understand, nigga? It's J-Love, the love doc not mean that shit, nigga. Let him right here, nigga.
Y'all hear real south side shit. This the Boulevard. We on the Boulevard. BlvdTv, hey man, say man, y'all like, comment, and subscribe. That's one of the main reasons why my name is BlvdTv, because we on the Boulevard. This where this shit is made. This where it's the pavement. You know, this where everything happened. Like back in the days, way back in the day. Like y'all just don't understand. Like, but it's coming. Y'all to get it real soon. Y'all to understand it. Y'all to check it out. Y'all understand it. That's the red. That's the red. Y'all see him. Y'all see him. That's how we do it. That's the culture. Y'all check them out. We on the Boulevard. We got everybody coming down the Boulevard.
I'm coming back for the
that boy and TRX. Check him out. That bitch clean too. That boy on sticks. Check him out. We even got the big trucks out here on the boulevard. Check him out. Y'all see him? Y'all see him? And we back with another one. We on OST. That boy clean. He on fire too. He home. Slabs outside. Y'all see him? Y'all check him out. You can't never have a good time. They always outside bothering us. Y'all see that boy right there? He clean though. But for some reason, we can't never have a good time. They always want to shut us down. They always want to stop something. I don't even see why though. We ain't doing shit. We just out here trying to enjoy our little Monday, our little Labor Day Monday. We just trying to enjoy our day. Dang. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe. BlvdTv. We outside with another one. Get y'all all this footage and all this action. Y'all see them reds outside? Look at them reds. Y'all see them boys coming down, that's that orange. OST with it. Getting y'all all the footage. Y'all see him. That boy in that Lincoln clean. Check that boy out in the Magnum. Y'all see him? The bird shit on the car, but that's right. Deep walls in the beans, slide, and we rock the millions. Mary said, young gun, I got your back. 06 this summer, I'ma pull out the leg. I'ma ride big foes. keep wandering around. What they say, I'm gonna learn you. Yeah, I'm gonna learn you on these wheels. I'm gonna learn you about this culture. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe.